Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I'd like to do with you the unboxing of this booster from the set Legends of the Force. So let's see what we can get in this one. And we have Mother Talzin. Is the other side. Night Sister Leia with the Force in the other side. Continuing, we have Loth Cat, Sense Trooper Cavalry, Charging Pilunk, Hyperspace Jedi Guardian, Relic Scavenger, Acolyte of the Beyond, Crushing Blow, Knights of Ren, Do or Do Not, Gungi, okay, Shatterpoint, and a rare, really nice, Yoda in hyperspace, beautiful. And our foil is a rare Invasion Control chip. No, it's too rare, sorry. It's not the foil. Now it's the foil. Two rares in here. Nice. And foil we have In the Shadows. Nice booster. Nice pulls in this one. So, this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you.